A review of LUBA 2 AWD 5000 Robot Lawn Mower offering convenience and efficiency in lawn care. Introducing the LUBA 2 AWD 5000 Robot Lawn Mower, designed for lawns up to 1.25 acres. This lawn mower navigates complex terrains with RTK signal coverage, all-wheel drive, and 3-division positioning technology. It handles slopes up to 38 degrees and cuts grass at heights between 2.2 to 4 inches. No more perimeter wires, set virtual boundaries with SEM-level accuracy using the app. Control mowing modes, cutting heights and frequencies via your smartphone or integrate with Alexa and Google Home. Powered by a 100% solar-powered RTK system, it's a step towards sustainable lawn care. Equipped with an anti-theft system, track and secure your mower through the app. The built-in alarm system ensures unauthorized users cannot operate the machine. Choose the LUBA 2 AWD 5000 for efficient, eco-friendly, and secure lawn maintenance. The positive aspects of this include wire-free navigation, excellent slope handling, smart features with app, anti-theft system, and durable construction. The negative aspects of this include high price point, initial setup complexity, and maintenance requirements. Rated 4+ stars. See description for full review including pros and cons. Order today for $2,899. Feel free to send any feedback.